feeling snackish can be beneficial as long as it benefits your long-term, healthier intentions. If you are in need of increasing your protein intake, here's a very healthy solution. Take leftover beef brisket, a microwavable tray, paper towels, and tongs. It is time for do-overs. If you were raised by parents who used to tell you, "Do as I say and not as I do," ignore that teaching for now, because I want you to do as I do. Utilize the microwave setting at 30-second intervals. This will prevent the brisket from becoming too hard. There are things in life which cannot be controlled. The ones that you can control should have lead focus. You know you are going to be snackish, so when the snack monster shows up, you show who's boss and be ready. These protein chips are ready to be eaten immediately or saved for later. Consult with your healthcare practitioner to determine how much protein intake you need on a daily basis. Then take small steps such as this to ensure you get it in. If running errands, take protein with you. Housewives are wives. They do not have a wife. Therefore, take this tip to you specifically for you. We have to take care of each other, and I am here with this tip to you specifically to help you get through your day. Put some of this into your purse and have it with you on hand when you need it. Let's not be out in these streets starving. These protein chips will take care of that. The UHCEO. Shalom.